Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will discuss an important topic. This topic is about C tokens. A detailed discussions of C tokens. There are many types of C tokens, but today we will discuss about keywords and identifiers. What is C tokens? This is a very important part in C language. The basic and smallest units of a C program is called C tokens. Tokens are the most important element to create a program. Example, we cannot create a sentence without using words. Similarly, we cannot create a program without using tokens. How many C tokens are there? There are 6 types of C tokens: keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, string, special symbol or special character. But today we will discuss only about keywords and identifiers. What is keywords? Keywords are predefined reserved words used in programming that have special meaning to the compiler. All keywords have special meanings and these meanings cannot be changed. Keywords serve as building blocks for program statements. Keywords are part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. Example, int number. Here int is a keyword that indicates number is a variable of type integer. How many keywords are there in C? There are total 32 keywords in C language. The list of keywords in C language: auto, break, case, char means character, const means constants, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, goto, if, int, long, register, return, sort, signed, size of, static, struct means structure, switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while. What are the rules for keywords in C language? All keywords must be written in lowercase letters. Keywords cannot be changed by a programmer. Keywords cannot be used as variable name and function name. And what is identifier? Identifier are the names given to different entities such as variables, constants, function, structure and user defined data names. Identifier must be unique to give a unique name to an entity so that we are able to identify it throughout the program. Example, int year, float average, double total balance. Here year, average, total balance is identifier and int, double are keywords. Rules for an identifier: the first character of an identifier must be an alphabet or underscore. They must not begin with a number. An identifier can only have a alphanumeric characters and underscore. Only first 31 characters are significant. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. For example, you cannot use int, float as an identifier because int float is keyword. Identifiers are also case sensitive in C. For example, student and student are two different identifiers. Of course, we can see here what is difference between the two student writings. The first student is uppercase letter and second student is lowercase letter. Special character such as a semicolon, white space, slash or commas cannot be used in or as identifier. What is the difference between keywords and identifiers? Keywords are predefined reserved words used in programming that have a special meaning to the compiler, and identifiers are the names given to different entities such as the variables, constants, function, structures and user defined data names. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters. Lower and uppercase both are allowed in the identifiers. Keywords are contain only alphabetic characters. Identifiers are contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Keywords always start with lowercase letter. First character can be used uppercase, lowercase letter or underscore in identifiers. The help to identify a specific property that exists with a computer language. They help to locate the name of the entity that gets along with a keyword. And the best way to understand the difference between keywords and identifiers are int year or float average. In this example, int and float is a keyword, but year and average is a identifier. Thank you for watching this video.